From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. A major storm unfolded across the central U.S. this weekend, burying communities in up to a foot of snow, while others were glazed with a layer of dangerous ice. As the storm continues to move east through the Tennessee Valley and into the mid-Atlantic, slippery conditions and difficult travel will follow through at least today. For the latest on this evolving situation, check out AccuWeather.com. But here on AccuWeather Daily, let's focus on what is in store for stargazers in the coming year, many of which can be viewed without needing a telescope or traveling hundreds of miles to see. From planetary meetups to the first total lunar eclipse in 3 years, here are the top astronomy events to look for throughout the year, starting with the Mars opposition coming up in 10 days. Stellar views of Mars will greet stargazers in January as the planet reaches opposition, a time in its orbit around the Sun when it is closest to us. The red planet will be visible all night during every cloud-free night of January, but the best views will be around the middle of the month. Staying true to its nickname, the planet will appear red or orange in the sky among a sea of countless white stars. Then there's the Venus-Saturn conjunction, which will follow the next few nights after that. Venus will be the cornerstone of multiple planetary alignments this year, the first of which will unfold on Friday the 17th as it shines side by side with Saturn. The duo will appear high in the southwestern sky after nightfall and will gradually slip down toward the horizon before setting around 9 p.m. local time. And an encore will be visible the following night. And then get ready for a total lunar eclipse on March 13th. For the first time since 2022, a total lunar eclipse will cause the moon to turn red as it passes through the Earth's shadow. Unlike a total solar eclipse that is visible from only a small area, the upcoming lunar eclipse will be visible across all of North America on the night of Thursday, March 13th, into the early morning of Friday, March the 14th, weather permitting, that is. A second total lunar eclipse will take place on September 7th, but it will be only visible in Asia and parts of Europe, Africa, and Australia. April showers may bring the flowers that bloom in May, but April and May will also feature 2 springtime meteor showers. Meteor showers will be a little bit few and far between during the first half of this year, but 2 will peak in the spring sky. The Lyrids will unfold first on the night of Monday, April 21st, into Tuesday the 22nd, with up to about 20 meteors per hour. Just a few weeks later, on the nights of May 3rd and 4th, the Eta Aquarids will peak with up to 30 shooting stars per hour. And then when summertime rolls around, you can check out the cosmic glow of the Milky Way. Summer is the best time of year for seeing the Milky Way, but onlookers will need to travel to a dark area away from human-made light pollution to see the dim glow of the galaxy. Experts recommend stargazing on the nights surrounding the new moon, as it is the time when the sky is the darkest. In 2025, the new moons during summer fall on June 25th, July 2nd, August 23rd, and September 21st. Jupiter and Venus will join up in the night sky in August. Stargazers should prepare to lose a little bit of sleep on Tuesday the 12th as 2 celestial sights unfold in August. The first event will be visible before sunrise and will feature the 2 brightest planets in the sky, Venus and Jupiter. The pairing will be easy to see without a telescope, with the planets appearing to be separated by about the width of a pinky finger held out at arm's length. And then get ready for the Perseid meteor shower at about the same time. Hours after the Jupiter-Venus conjunction, the popular Perseid meteor shower will peak. Typically, it's one of the best meteor showers of the year, and under ideal conditions, onlookers can count as many as 100 shooting stars per hour. But hourly rates will not be quite as high this year, as a nearly full moon will shine bright on the night of August 12th and 13th. Meteors will still be visible by watching darker areas of the sky where the moon is out of view. And then we'll close out the celestial happenings with the Geminid meteor shower in December. One of the best celestial light shows of the year will unfold on the night of December 13th into the 14th as the Geminids peak. Experts say that this year's will be a particularly good year for the annual meteor shower, as it will occur on a moonless night, allowing stargazers to see as many as 120 shooting stars per hour. That's all for now. You can find more stories and regional forecasts at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day, be safe, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.